Hello guys, welcome to my channel Trading Chart Patterns. So today we are analyzing UBL share. So what are the trading levels for UBL share for tomorrow 9th of March 2021. So this is a video for educational purpose. So let's examine first of all, let's see where UBL share is now. So the past one day UBL share has been in sideways motion. Okay, the stock has not given clear breakout nor given a clear breakdown. So what will be the trading levels for UBL for the next day? Let us suppose if UBL share gives a breakdown below 1207 1208, then only we will go for a short sell. And see, if you are going for a short sell in UBL share, then you should actually consider this line too. Okay, if the stock comes towards this line, this trend line, okay, so this level will be 1209, and if the stock gives a breakdown below 1209, then surely you will see 1189 1188 rupees target. Okay, or you can say 1190 rupees target. So below 1200 it can be a good sell side trade, and if the stock sustains 1200, then you can go for a buy. If the stochastic RSI confirms the trade, then only you can go for a good buy. And what will be your target? Your target will be again 1221 or 1230. This will be your target for UBL. Remember, if the stock gives a breakdown below 1208 1207 in the opening, then you should go for a short sell. And if the stock opens gap down around 1190 92, then if the stock takes support here and goes upside, then only you should go for a buy side consideration. And if the stock fails to cross this support line while opening around 1192, then you should also sell this stock. So these are our conditions for UBL trade. Okay, thank you for watching.